Hey guys, Geography Mapper here, and today I'm going to do my first tutorial on how to build a Lego fidget cube. The first pieces you are going to need are a 4x4 thin, and one of these yellow bungee things. It actually doesn't matter what color any of these pieces are. These are just random colors I found around the house. It's not going to be like one color, like real fidget cubes. And put them together so they're like this. Okay, next we are going to make the gear. You are going to need one of these gears. One's might be the hardest one to find. And one of these rods. Stick this rod through the gear. The gear does move. Next, you're going to want to take two of these pieces and stick them in like this. Sorry guys. However it goes in. Next, you're going to want to put it in on the other side. Wait, guys. Sorry, mistake.
Good night, boys.
Good night. Sorry, that's my dad leaving for work. It's very late. Okay, so put it in right here. Then put the gear in. Then put the next piece in. There you go. Now you're going to want to have 4 1x1. And just stick them on. Oh gosh, guys, sorry. To the other ones like this. There we go. Next up, you're going to want 6 1x1 circles and put them into 2 equal rows of 3. That's my little brother. He's talking right now. So there's 3 snapped together, so it's as tall as a 1x1 piece or any other piece. Then make another one of those. So it's 3 1x1 stacked on top of each other 2 times. Okay. This is the easiest one to put together. Now just put these 2 on like this. Then put another 1x1x2. So you have a 1x1x2, 2 1x1s, 2 1x1s, 2 1x1 circles, and this one, the 1x1, 1x2. Okay, now I've got 3 of them. Now, this one's also pretty simple to build. This is the square. I call it the square. You're going to want to find one of these pieces that looks like this, but it's like a normal one, but just with a hole on it. Take a flat 1x1. One of these guys right here. Stick it on there. Then take a 1x1, a normal 1x1, and stick it to the 1x1 flat. Then you're going to want to take a 1x2 and attach it to the 1x1 that is holding it together. Then put an ordinary 1x1 next to the cube one like this. Then take another 1x2 and attach it on right there. Now the joystick. Take a joystick right here, one of these pieces, right here, guys, and then attach one of these pieces to it. It should snap in. You have a good joystick, sorry. Now take a 4x1 and stick it on right here. Okay? Now take two 1x1s, stick them onto the sides of the joystick. Now take another 1x1x4 and place it on top of the joystick. And you should also have one more piece that you don't need to add anything to it. This is just a 4x4. You don't need to do anything to it. Okay, what you're going to want to do is take your 4x4, nothing on it, and take whatever one of your choice. I'm going to start out with the gear. Attach it on like this. You might have to do a little bit of adjusting so it fits. Like if they're too far apart, and you'll have to put them closer. If they're too close, so it only fits on 3, and you're going to have to spread it out. And the gear spins very nicely. Now, take the rub where we have the two 1x1s, the two 1x1 stacks, and place it next to the gear on either side, the left or the right. Oh gosh, sometimes putting this one will pop the gear off, but that's okay. So you should have it like this. So we have this one, then this one. Okay. Now we're gonna take this one with the big guy sticking out right there, and put him on across from the rub, so the part sticking out you can actually touch. So it's like this, so you can see it, and it's not backwards, so it's inside like that. We don't want that to happen. This is the inside. This is the outside. If we did that, it would be completely useless. So we want this part sticking out like this. Now, take your joystick and attach it opposite from the gear. Right there. Now, you might have a little bit of trouble getting it aligned, but you're going to need it aligned for the last piece, or pieces. 4x4 with the bungee attached. Just stick it on very gently and then press hard. If you see it sticking up, then you need to, if you see it sticking up like mine is right here, you have to take it off. And adjust it. And now put it back on. Okay, and now put on the bungee, and there you have it, a fidget cube made out completely out of Legos. Let me show you another one that I made that was complete garbage. That's why I never showed it to you guys. That's why I never made a tutorial. Fidget Cube 1.0. We have up and down. The lever. Tire. Power. And rub. Yeah, and I think that's it. This one was pretty boring, and it was mostly all on the top. And this one turned out like trash. Wasn't even a cube. It was a fidget thing, and it didn't work. It kind of worked, but it didn't. It just didn't feel comfortable. And in this one, it's a cube. It's actually a cube. So we have gear, square. If you're confused about this square one, the one with the big thing poking out, this one actually turns. Okay. Joystick. And rub. And it also has this one sort of, it's called bounce, or spring, or hook. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you all next time. Please leave a like. This is, if you do this, then you don't deserve to watch my videos. So leave a like, comment down below what we should do next on Geography Mapper. Should we make a tutorial on how to make a fidget spinner out of Legos? I guess if you really want me to. We get 10 likes. We might do this anyway. If we get at least 10 likes, I promise I will do a fidget toy unboxing. And I might do a giveaway. Maybe. Not guaranteed I'll do a giveaway, but that's about it for today's video. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So, bye-bye, guys. Boo.